Dear students, good morning. How are you? I am your physics teacher, Shafiq Malik, from Pakistan International School, Doha, Qatar. As you know, this is our 7th week of virtual learning. In the previous lecture, we have completed our first unit, Work and Energy. I hope you have understood that unit of grade 8th physics. Today we will start our next chapter number 7, Electricity and Energy. Therefore, all of you please open your science book, page number 88 and 89. Learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to understand energy changes in electric circuit. Draw Sankey diagram. Write the answers of test yourself questions on their notebook. Dear students, in our first unit, Work and Energy, we have studied the law of conservation of energy, that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but it is converted from one form to another. You also know that energy converters are such devices which convert one form of energy into another form. However, some energy is always lost in the form of heat. For example, a television, power cars, hairdryer, gas stove. A television uses electricity or electrical energy, and produces pictures in the form of light energy, sound, or sound energy, and some heat in the form of heat energy. Similarly, in power cars, chemical energy of petrol is converted into movement, or kinetic energy, sound, or sound energy, and some heat, or thermal energy. In this unit, our first topic is energy arrows. In this topic, first of all, we will define what is Sankey diagram. A simple way of showing energy conversions and where energy goes, is to draw a diagram called a Sankey diagram. A Sankey diagram looks like a set of arrows. The Sankey diagram on the right shows what happens to the energy in a light bulb. The width of the arrows gives an idea of the amounts of the different forms of energy. The thicker the arrow, the greater the amount of energy. This Sankey diagram shows that only about 80% of the energy is converted into the light energy required, the rest is wasted as heat energy. Energy changes in an electric circuit. The electric circuit shown here contains some components in a series circuit. Sankey diagrams have been drawn for 3 of the components when the switch is closed and electricity flows through the circuit. This diagram shows a series circuit, in which a motor, a lamp or electric bulb, a bell and a buzzer are connected in series with a battery. There are 3 Sankey diagrams, that is, one for motor, one for lamp and one for bell. First we discuss the Sankey diagram of the motor, which is given on the right side of this slide. When a motor works, there is more movement, meaning more kinetic energy. Therefore the arrow in this Sankey diagram is more wider, while there is less amount of sound and heat produced in motor, so that's why width of below arrows is less. Now we are going to discuss the Sankey diagram of lamp, which is also given on the right side of this slide. As lamp or electric bulb produces more light energy as compared to heat energy, therefore the width of arrow for light is more as compared to heat. Sankey diagram of bell, which is given on the right side of this slide. As electric bell produces more sound energy as compared to its movement, or kinetic energy, therefore the width of arrow for sound is more as compared to its movement. Dear students, now we are going to solve test yourself questions which are given on page number 89. Question number 1. What is a Sankey diagram? Its answer is a simple way of showing energy conversions and where energy goes, is to draw a diagram called a Sankey diagram. A Sankey diagram looks like a set of arrows. Draw the given Sankey diagram on your notebook with this question. Question number 2. A light bulb is only about 80% efficient. What does this mean? Its answer is, this means that about 80% of the energy is converted into light energy while the remaining 20% of the energy is lost as heat energy. Question number 3. Look at the Sankey diagrams of the components in the series circuit above. Describe the energy changes for the Parto motor. Its answer is, in motor, electrical energy is converted into kinetic energy, or movement, heat, and sound energy. Part B, lamp. Its answer is, in lamp or electric bulb, electrical energy is converted into light and heat energy. Part C, bell. Its answer is, in bell, electrical energy is converted into sound and kinetic energy, or movement. Homework. Dear students, please note down your homework. Question number 4. Draw a Sankey diagram for the buzzer. Also write down the answers of all parts of this test yourself questions on your notebook. Learn. Did you know? Given on page number 89. I hope you have understood the topics taught today. See you next week. Thank you and goodbye.